First off, when applying any type of sticker to your bike or an individual product, it's highly recommended that you do so inside and in a clean environment. That will help massively. And you should also clean the product or the area of the bike in which you are applying the decal or sticker to. Make sure there's no dust or dirt present. This is important for getting the best bond between the adhesive and the area it's being applied to. Now you will need a water solution mixed with 4 to 6 drops of washing up liquid or soap. This will allow you to wet lay the decal to allow perfect placement without affecting the adhesive. Now if you don't have a spray bottle like shown, you can use a soft sponge or cloth to apply the water solution to the area you plan to apply the decal to. It's important to cover the whole area thoroughly. Once it's wet, you can then remove the backing paper from the decal. Be sure to avoid making any unnecessary contact with the adhesive side to ensure that it is as effective as possible. You can then lay the decal onto the product and move it into position. The water solution applied previously will allow the decal to slide along the surface for optimum placement. So you can move it around until it's in the exact place you'd like without having to ruin the adhesive, taking it on and off. Now it's worth noting that some of our decal sets may come with an extra piece which is to be used as a guide or a template. The example on screen is the XSR 900 seat cowl decal set we sell, which comes with an extra blue strip in the middle here, which is only to be used as a guide to allow the space between the yellow and the blue piece to be correct, rather than having to just eyeball it. Once you're happy with the placement of the decal, you can carefully wipe away any excess water on top and around the decal. Be gentle with this so you don't unintentionally move the decal out of place. You can then use something like a credit card, a business card, a squeegee or anything similar to squeeze any air and leftover water from underneath the decal. Once the water has been squeezed out, the adhesive will kick in and the decal will no longer be able to slide. Make sure you really squeeze all the water out, leave the decal for 15 minutes to cure, and you have successfully fitted the decal to your bike.